Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss a single video. This wig is from WOWANGEL on AliExpress. This is what the wig is supposed to look like, a 13x6 HD lace, a card that tells you what the lace is, and a whole bunch of goodies that you can do. They got everything name brand. Lashes, HD wig cap, edge brush, melting band, 250% density, 26 inches. Here's how the wig looks fresh out the pack. Look at this color, y'all. The bounce, the body waves, this hair is so soft. You get a couple strands, and I love the highlights. It's a 13x6 HD lace, real HD lace, y'all. You get 2 combs in the side, 1 in the back with adjustable straps. Elastic band to wear it glueless, but of course I'm going to lay it down with adhesive spray. This is how the lace looks. It's pre-plucked, but I'm going to pluck it a little bit more.
Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since 06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, only know me know me. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I get lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.
Love me, I seen that way, put me leave her. I do with the world, I've seen her. We ain't nobody who Jehovah. And the Lord that they go far. Who's the gold, but that they bar. That's how they move with Shita. And then I really put you too far. Midnight was gonna Shita.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm wrong, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. Girl, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look together. Come here, 'cause it's time. Hold you for a night. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment hold you for life.
vibes on vibes. I'm ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. Are set. Follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you're not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer. Me, I no go take shit. Vibe killer. If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just para, I'm a mind digger. I go just stay, follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm kicking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill, you nothing kill, you nothing kill my vibe.
You see my bitch, say she had bad. Anytime I knock with that. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Say this, my mind, and my body. My body says this, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Energy on me, baby. Can you make a wish for me?